Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to open Lexus key fob. First thing first, remove the old mechanical key from the fob by sliding the release switch. Insert the metal key into the visible key slot on the driver's door and turn it clockwise to unlock the door. Put the metal key back into the fob and hop in. Now remove the mechanical key from your key fob, gently pull the door handle outwards, don't force it, and on the back side of the handle, you'll see a hidden silver keyhole. Insert the key and turn it into the right to unlock the door. Reinsert the key into the fob and get inside. Now even if the fob battery is dead, you can still start the car. Hold the key fob with the Lexus logo flat against the start button. Press the start button while holding the fob to it and the engine should fire up. Now go get that battery replaced. So, don't press buttons out of range, it's useless and wastes battery. If your car has hands-free features, use them, like waving your foot under the bumper. Avoid using the remote to open the trunk, use the button on the car instead. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.